Guys, welcome back. Yo, winter is here. It's not going anywhere, man. You know, it just dumped itself on us. It like unloaded itself on us. All right? And let me tell you, most people, this is when they get unhappy and depressed. But we here do not have time for that. So a couple things that you should be taking. You need fresh garlic, bro. You gotta be taking a clove of this. Listen to me. Take a clove of this. And at nighttime before you go to bed, smash it down, chop it up, throw it back with some water. You're gonna have better blood flow. You're gonna feel relaxed in bed. You're gonna be like this. Ooh, ooh, this is so nice. Garlic, ooh. You're gonna love it. You're gonna go to bed in a bed. You're gonna wake up in a tent. Alright? I'm telling you, because of the blood flow. You're gonna have like an all-night boner. It's gonna be a beautiful thing for yourself. The next thing that you should do, you're not getting sun, man. Like, I know I'm about to be pale. Right? Helios is gone. He's tucked away in the clouds. And it's a shame, man. Yeah, I hate it, okay? But guess what? I'm not going to let that get me down. We got to be getting some sort of vitamin D. Encapsulated sun. Cost me $3. Lasts me all winter. I'm taking about 3,000 IU a day to keep my testosterone up. And you guys should be doing this too, okay? Especially you guys getting older, your testosterone's declining. We're eating sugar, we're sleeping less, we're having less sex, we're not getting enough vitamin D. Dude, pop a pill. Okay? Pop a pill. Let the sun shine in. The next thing that I would recommend is that you take some sea salt, a pinch of sea salt, you put it in water. When I wake up in the morning, I've went 8 hours without any water. And I've pissed. So I've pissed out my electrolytes. If I get up in the morning and I, like all these other guys telling you to drink all this water, and I just throw back a couple of cups of water, it's like I'm drowning myself. I feel nauseous, like I gotta throw up, right? The way that the remedy for that is you take a pinch of sea salt and you put it in there, and you're gonna feel invigorated. It's gonna get the stomach acids going. It's gonna hydrate you and replenish you. You're getting electrolytes, man. All right, don't drown yourself in just water. Put some electrolytes in that baby. That's it, man. You guys got to try these things, okay? If you're not already. And the last thing I would say, I just want to leave you with this, is just as we should practice being leaders in our life, like when something comes up and we should be assertive, and we should not just say, I don't know to everything. When your mom asks you a question, I don't know. When your girl, I don't know. You know? No, it's like, I do know. This is what I think. This is my opinion. We're going here. We're doing this. We should practice leadership. Okay? On the flip side of that, we should practice not becoming victims. Most people are becoming victims, and they don't even know it. And what happens is when you practice being a victim for long enough, well, your life starts getting in like a straitjacket, and it's very hard to get out. It's hopeless, okay? So you have to become aware. One of the ways that is like, look, it's winter. Yeah, just snowed a lot, but you know what? It's not going to get me down. I'm not going to take on that mindset of, oh, the winter, oh, I hate the winter. I'm not going to complain about it. You will not hear me complain about the winter, man. Ever. And most people, oh, man, the weather. Dude, I don't care about the weather, man. Like, yeah, we're living here. You want to get out of this weather, then go move. Go to somewhere, all right? Don't bring that energy around me. So we can do this. Don't take on that mindset. Another one, oh, daylight savings time. Set me back an hour. Well, dude, fix yourself up. It's only an hour. It's not that big of a deal. You know? Oh, Trump, politicians, man, these days. Healthcare, so much. We'll make more money, dude. Make more money. All right, tax. Oh, dude, you can complain, and then you can go and, do your whatever, waste time, fritter away time. But, you could just be focused on your mission. You could be focused on something bigger, making more money, having a better life for yourself. All right? So stop the complaining. Stop being a victim. No one cares for you. You care about yourself the most. So no use making it harder and setting all these obstacles in your way. No, dude, I refuse to do that. Life's hard enough. Mother Nature don't really care about you, so I'm not complaining, dude. I'm just going to embrace it. Hope you guys do the same. I also hope you guys have a really good night. All right? Stay strong, and I'll see you soon. Peace.